So we have done something that no other social network has done. We are an entrepreneur-based social network that we're going to educate you with master classes. We're going to let you communicate with like-minded entrepreneurs in our community. We're going to give you an affiliate opportunity and the ability to be able to swap out your affiliate links in the marketplace. This is going to be huge.
All right, guys. So here we are in Lifepreneur Founders. So this is a website where Chris Record and his team built for entrepreneurs and social media network and basically digital marketing masterclasses, affiliate links that you can put everything into this one website where they basically just promote your link also when you sign up. We can watch the introduction. I don't know how long this little introduction is, but you can go ahead and watch it.
What's up, everyone? My name is Chris Record. I am one of the co-founders of Lifepreneur. And here on this page, you have access to be able to join early during our pre-launch. So all you have to do is reserve your custom username and then verify it using either Facebook Connect or your phone, and you will be entered into a queue where we will be hand selecting people to be able to come in to beta access of Lifepreneur, and not only that, be able to access our masterclasses, be able to access our community, set up your social profile, and so much more. So again, on this screen, you're simply going to reserve your custom username and get into the queue, and then we'll follow up by email. Now, if you're wondering what Lifepreneur is, it's pretty simple. Lifepreneur is a social network for entrepreneurs that pays you to refer members. You can refer members for free. There's no cost to join, right? And then they're hard-coded to you. So you'll be able to log into your back office and you'll be able to see all of the members that you've referred that are hard-coded to you. If any of those members upgrade to Lifepreneur Pro, you'll earn a monthly recurring commission. But we also have a marketplace full of third-party digital products. These products are something like ClickFunnels or Aweber or GetResponse or ClickMagick or SmartMember. All of these tools that entrepreneurs can use to make money and build a brand online. So all you have to do is sign up for the affiliate program for each of these tools and then get your affiliate link, paste it into Lifepreneur, and press save. Once you do, then forever we will use your affiliate link for all of your referrals. What that means is, like, if you referred me, I log into Lifepreneur and I purchase a product. It's going to use your affiliate link. You're going to get the commission directly. It is a business in a box that is set up, and it's never been simpler. See, I've been doing affiliate marketing for well over a decade, and it's difficult to have to write all your own emails, write your own sales copy, build your own sales pages, find what offers are any good, and figure out how to sell them. Well, at Lifepreneur, we do all of that for you. We send emails to your referrals on your behalf. We write all of the copy. We build all the sales pages. We find the high converting offers. We sell your members those offers on your behalf. All you have to do is sign up, become an affiliate, and swap out your affiliate links. So Lifepreneur is going to launch to the public very, very soon. And when it does, it's going to be awesome. You're going to get all the typical social network features, such as being able to make posts, get comments, get likes, upvotes, engage on Facebook pay you. Does Instagram pay you? Do all these other companies pay you? No, it's not part of the model. They just want you to come in and then they want to get advertisers. But we do things differently here. You're the advertiser. We are paying you to be the advertiser. And that's why Lifepreneur, we believe, is going to take off like wildfire in 2021. But right now, in 2020, you have the chance to be part of the early access members. And as a reward, if you get accepted and we send you an email, you'll be able to access content before upgrading to Pro. There will be no credit card required. There's nothing that you have to do. All you have to do right now is just sign up and wait for an email. Now, we might send you that email tomorrow. We might send it to you in a few days. We might send it to you a week from now. We don't know. It depends on where you are in the queue, how quickly you sign up. So whatever you do, without leaving this page, make sure you reserve your custom username and verify your account. There will be a video, a confirmation video that you can watch with more instructions as to what happens next. But the most important thing you can do is absolutely right now secure your username. Lock up your spot and get as high as you can in that queue so that we can send you an email invitation earlier. Now, in the near future, once we get through the beta testing phase, we're going to open up to the public. At that point, you can use your affiliate link and start promoting everybody. So we've been working so hard on Lifepreneur for so long, and we are grateful that you found your way to this page and that you signed up and you believe in this vision. Because with all the craziness that's going on out there on these social networks, it's time that there's a social network dedicated to entrepreneurs, and we've done that here with Lifepreneur. So again, on behalf of Lifepreneur, I'm the CEO and co-founder, Chris Record. I want to welcome you and thank you for participating in this vision. We're going to do big things.
All right, guys, so you got a little clip of that. So basically what I did to get the email, they had a sign-up page about a month ago or so. I entered my email, then I got an email, and that link is now to this page. And basically what these guys are trying to do is create a social network for entrepreneurs that, you know, like you can post inside this. It's basically like another Facebook or, you know, Instagram, but it's geared towards entrepreneurs. So every post, everything you do inside this, and the more people you bring into it, the more you're going to get paid, basically. And all your affiliate links are in here, or everything, like he said, everything's hard coded into here. Now, I don't know if you go to lifepreneurs.com, if you will see this page. You might see a different page where they have to sign you up, but like he said, they're sending me this link for early access. So I'm just kind of documenting what we're doing here, and I'm gonna go ahead and sign up and then see what happens, and then we can just, you know, I have a Facebook page, so I'm just gonna sign up with my Facebook page name because it's kind of like a brand that I want to build in the entrepreneur space, because I do daily posts of motivation and, you know, just inspiring people and other things. So here we go. We're just gonna go ahead and try to enter that, which I would like, you know, a easier username, because it's kind of nice to secure a good name, but at the same time, I just want to build this, you know, this kind of like this brand that's can show up on every platform and, you know, build off of that. So let's see. So my page name is Lift Daily. Lift Daily is my username. So let's check that. Let's sign up with Facebook. Okay, so now it's taking me to this page. Congratulations on your sign up for Lifepreneur. Lifepreneur is currently in beta, and we'll be inviting members, sorry guys, I can't read, members selectively to participate in the full site experience prior to your public launch, which I thought the 11th of November of 2020 was going to be the launch. But apparently it's not the full launch. It's just for, you know, it's just for people that have the early access or something like that. I'm not fully I don't have full knowledge of that, but like so we can watch this and see what they say.
All right, congratulations on setting up your Lifepreneur account. So at this point, you have reserved your custom username and you have verified your account. So you are set to go. We have added you to the waiting list. So I want to take a minute and explain exactly how this is going to work. So first of all, if you are a founding member of Lifepreneur, which means that you purchased the Founders Package in 2018 or 2019, either a Lifepreneur founder or a DAB founder, that means that we will go ahead and authorize your account to be able to get inside Lifepreneur and start watching masterclasses, start watching masterminds, and start going through the beta testing. So again, if you are a founding member, there's going to be a chat button, a support button on this page, and you go ahead and talk to us and show us proof that you purchased Founders, and we will go ahead and get you set up. If you were not a founding member, don't worry. You have signed up early, and we want to give you early access. So here's exactly how it's going to work. You've been put into a queue, okay? Which means that first we're going to let in founding members, then we're going to start letting in beta testers. So you're going to be receiving an invitation email. I don't know if that's going to come in a day or a few days or a week. I'm not exactly sure when it's going to come, but you're in a queue. So what I want you to do right now is really nothing. Just stay tuned and check your email every day or so and look for an email from Lifepreneur that your account has been activated. As soon as it is, you should be able to log right back in using the credentials that you just set up, and you're going to be able to log in and actually start to go from this sort of invitation-only page over into our master classes. And we are going to be releasing content in phases over the coming weeks. So first, we're going to start with our education. We want our users to come in and test out our video player, our courses, all of our catalog of education, and give us feedback and tell us how we can improve the process. Next, we're going to roll out our community. This is where you're going to be able to set up your own entrepreneur-based social profile. Just like Facebook or just like Twitter or Instagram, you're going to have your own custom username, your own link, your own profile, and you'll be able to go in there and add a cover photo, add your profile photo, add some descriptions, all of that kind of cool stuff. Plus, the community also has posts. So just like every social network, you're going to be able to go in and there will be a timeline, like a news feed. And this is where you can customize your news feed. You can choose, I want to see topics on SEO. I want to see topics on Shopify. I want to see topics on Facebook advertising. And you're going to get a custom news feed that's going to share all of these posts from all the different users on the network. You're going to be able to engage on the posts, comment on them, upload them, you name it. Plus, you'll be able to make posts yourself. And so then we're going to spend a week or so with basically everybody adding content, engaging with each other, testing out that feature, and getting your feedback for how we can improve it. Then we're going to launch our marketplace. Our marketplace is going to be all of our digital products, third-party products like ClickFunnels or Aweber or GetResponse, all these different digital marketing tools. So you'll be able to browse the marketplace, you'll be able to see how it looks, how it feels, all the pages, plus you'll be able to swap out your affiliate link. So as an affiliate of Lifepreneur, you'll be able to sign up for the affiliate program for Aweber, copy a link and paste it in and save it. You'll be able to sign up for ClickFunnels, save your affiliate link. You'll be able to sign up for all these programs, right? What that means is that when we launch to the public, you'll be able to refer people using your affiliate link. They'll sign up for Lifepreneur, and if they buy any of the products, you get the commission directly. It is going to be powerful. And then finally, in the final phase, we're going to launch our affiliate program. You'll be able to go in and see all of the traffic and the stats and the members. We'll probably place some kind of like placeholder content in there as if you have a big team, just to kind of show you what it all looks like. Now, once we get through this beta testing phase with your feedback, which is going to be very, very precious, then it's time for our public launch. That's where there will no longer be a waiting list. That's where there will no longer be any sort of verification for people to get on board. You will simply get your affiliate link and you'll be able to promote Lifepreneur. Now, how it's going to work is everybody that you refer is going to be hard-coded to you. You'll see them when you log in, you'll see every single member, and you'll see whether they sign up as a free member, whether they upgrade as a pro, and you'll be able to see their activity, you'll be able to engage with them. You'll even be able to have your own private community where you can communicate with them. So we have done something that no other social network has done. We are an entrepreneur-based social network. So we're going to educate you with masterclasses. We're going to let you communicate with like-minded entrepreneurs in our community. We're going to give you an affiliate opportunity and the ability to be able to swap out your affiliate links in the marketplace. This is going to be huge. So as of right now, you have reserved your position, and I'm thankfully you did it sooner than later, because you're going to be one of the first people that is going to get beta access to try out Lifepreneur. So what do you do right now? Really nothing. If you're a founding member, contact us and communicate with us. Show us proof that you purchased or something so we can match up your email. For some reason, it didn't go through automatically, which means maybe you signed up with a different email, or maybe we just didn't recognize you in the system. So if you're a founding member, contact us. And if you're not a founding member, all you have to do is wait for an email. We're going to go through a queue, and we're going to take people in the order that they joined. So you've locked up your spot early in the pre-launch of Lifepreneur, and we will be following up with you soon. So there's nothing else to do right now. Just follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, stay close to your email, and wait for that invitation. We will be in touch soon. All right, congratulations.
All right, guys, so it looks like I just got to wait. I'm not a founding member. I never had any access to anything that Chris Record had or anything related to that. So I'm just going to be waiting for my email, and I guess that's all I got to do for now. I'll leave a link in the description to Lifepreneur so you can sign up. That's pretty much all I could record for now, I think, because that's it. I just let's see. Yeah, I guess I can just exit out now and just wait for that email, and then I'll have access to tell a little bit more and things that I can start to promote or bring people in and grow. I believe this thing's gonna grow pretty good because Chris Records a pretty cool dude. He knows what he's doing, and he's a big marketer. And if you haven't watched his YouTube videos, you should. He has some pretty cool stuff. I definitely like to listen to his music. I listen to a lot of his music because I just love it. Like, I love rap, and he actually intertwines rap with entrepreneurship, and I just it's pretty good music. Just listen to it. You'll probably get hooked on it and end up signing up to this. But that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy life. Keep grinding. See you guys on the next video.